Kanina. We were in Taipa. Now we're at the Macau side of Macau. Welcome to my channel, Butterflies! Here on the part of Taipa, the Taipa side is more like para siyang ano na, more modernized. Here it's like more historical. The looks of Macau, side of Macau, looks more historical. Okay, so we went inside like action figures store. It's the thing for Joshua. Joshua has a thing for this.
So excited.
Doon ni Joshua.
Two na, diba?
Ganda.
So strict, you can even cover
Gundam.
Do not touch his gun.
Yeah, because it's so hard to put them back.
Oh, Joshua is in a crazy world right now. Ooh.
How much do you buy for
Depending on no.
Okay, so just while we're waiting for them to do it, I'm wearing this really dark eyeglasses right now because I actually have a sty on my left eye. Sty is sa Tagalog is kulit. So yeah, actually my left eye is kind of sore. Masakit makate, pero okay na siya. It's better now than the past few days. Is atin kuya buying you one? Are they buying you one? Ooh! Ooh!
Pili ko yung tag-100. Yung mura lang. Meron naman dyan. Mas cheap naman to sa iPhone 15. Which ones are the likes of you got already? One or? Ito na lang bilis na.
Maganda ganon. Yung pili ni Kuya Drew will choose it for you. And then you will,
Anak, you study hard, ah.
There you go. Wow, nice. Puro flowers. Yes, we are at the Macau side of Macau. And I think we're gonna go to the church ruins. Gusto ko lang makita rin yun. I've never seen that in person. So, yeah. Here on this side of Macau, it's there's more colonial touch of it. The sceneries are more colonial compared to Taipa. Taipa, it's more of where the expats are, according to my daughter at least. So, ayan. Ganda dito. Wait lang. Oh. See those type of buildings and stuff like that. That's what I'm talking about. Oh, may mga Filipino shops. There are Filipino shops. Ito ang ganda rito. This nice. And we're eating here daw. It's a Filipino restaurant. Oh. Ah, dito yung pandesal. Oh, Philippine bread. Wait lang. Wait lang.
I know.
Okay. So, this one is called Philippine bread. Anak. Anak Philippine bread. Ayan. So, it's all... it's all Pinoy bread talaga siya. Yung mga pandesal, pandikoko, ensaymada. Tapos ang mura lang niya. It's very affordable.
You buy 100.
$1 lang talaga.
No, but the others, the ube cheese is 5.
Ube cheese, 5.
Ito masarap. Ay,
Still, mura pa rin
Spanish
siya.
bread, yung Spanish bread. Ube cheese yung gusto ko niya.
Ito is Spanish bread.
Oh, you guys,
Yeah.
you guys, pili. Which one?
Spanish bread.
Yung sa
No
pangay,
po.
guys, one of stuff.
10 nito.
10 po ng ube cheese.
Opo.
And then this, how many? Ay, may card pala.
Ito, magkano to?
$1.
Oh, so how many are there in
I
one
don't
bag?
know, maybe 10. I think this is 10.
Okay. So,
Masarap to yung Spanish bread.
Spanish bread. Magkano yung Spanish bread? $2. O, ilang Spanish bread? 10 din. Oh.
Excuse me po.
$1 lang yung pandesal, oh.
Hindi yung isa.
Isang pandesal, isang piraso nga.
Ilan po sa ano?
And one bag. 6.
Oh, this pandikoko.
6 pa po ng ube cheese.
6 pa.
6 pa po.
That's my childhood bread.
Yes, opo. Ano na siya?
Dumaani.
That's my childhood bread, oh, pandikoko.
Order na.
Ayan.
Ito sa Hong Kong.
Manny Pacquiao ka ba? Manny Pacquiao ka ba, nak? Bakit? Pinakyaw mo lahat. Oh, thank you, nak. Ni Shannon Loko. Hello. And I think mas maraming Pinoy dito, no? There are more Filipinos on this side of Macau. Oh, that's the name of the restaurant we're going in. La Mesa Filipina. There. Dapat ito parang on table. Pagod ng mga anak ko. Yeah, okay, mix na siya. Okay, so the food is already here. It's like a mini boodle fight. But I'm gonna order my own because there's nothing here that I can eat since I'm vegan. So, but it's okay because the kids are going to enjoy this and Babbers. Yeah, and the kids are gonna enjoy this. So, yes. Actually, yeah, there's okra here, so I can have that. Some kamatis. But I will order a separate one for me. Oh, it's my first time to eat something like this. It's like a mini boodle fight. It's nice. Yeah. Just the egg. I'm having the vegetable parts for me. I'll see. I have here talong, okra, and kamatis. First time I see bamboo eating like that.
First time I've eaten like this a lot before.
No, I mean with using hands.
Yeah, I've eaten with my hands.
I will order. I have to ask kasi baka may kahalo eh. Okay, so we're done having lunch here at La Mesa Filipina. So, ayan. Okay, so we're going to the ruin. Yes, the church thingy. The church with only one wall left.
Guys, ours.
So we're on our way to the ruins. This part here looks like it's central, pero ano pa rin talaga. It looks very colonial. So they have lots of shops here and restaurants. Nice building. I don't know what this is though. Feels like we're in Disneyland. This is giving me Disneyland, Hong Kong Disneyland vibes. Yeah. So yeah, you can see it's more the design, the constructions here are more colonial, yeah. The designs and everything.
Portuguese.
Yeah, it has more like a Portuguese touch. Yeah. Oh, it's nice here. It's nice naman here, anak. Anak, Isha. Isha. This is like Disney. the entrance. Pagod ka na, anak. Inantok na kasi busog na. Our master chef. Chef Byron. Christina, anak, this is like giving a Hong Kong Disney vibe. Oh, so there's Sasa here. Ang ganda. I like what I'm seeing. If you guys have time, you know, go and visit Macau. Go and have a traveling moments. Oh. Ayan siya. Ganda. It's like I'm in the past. The vibes that's giving me on this side of Macau, it's like a blast from the past. Anak, the vibes that's giving me here, it's like blast from the past.
Yeah, because it's Portuguese style.
Yeah.
When they were colonized.
It's good that they didn't,
This is
no.
my path to work like most days.
Uh-huh. So it's your work is far from your place.
No, I take a bus. It's not, it's like a
You okay, anak? You're very full.
happy with the Gundam.
O pag Gundam style. Can you show?
The price is lower.
It depends, na. It depends.
Can you show?
But this is
Oh.
something like
Ooh.
the kind that's more.
Ooh for him, but I don't get it. I have no idea
88
of these things.
8 80 something.
You know, I've been to Macau like really quite a number of times already, and due to singing, but never in this manner where you know we get to be eating and get to be going places. Singing, yeah, because I think even if accommodation is provided when I have gigs, but I don't get to roam around. So yeah, this is the first for me. Really nice. What is Pop Mart?
It's just collection of...
And they also have Bonjour, Pangkel, MLB. So it's like colonized tuloy. It's old style, but with all the shops and stores. But everything else is really, I can't stop saying that. And it's like I'm being from the past. And so many people here compared to Taipa. Oh, we're seeing it. It's over there. Ayun pala siya. What's the story behind it anyways?
Zing Zing is not here. Zing Zing is not here. It's a church and it was burnt down 3 to 4 years.
It was burnt down, but only that part remains.
Yeah, every time.
Oh.
So it's like amazing, so they want to keep it. Is there a nurse? And it always starts a bit shady. Actually, I don't know. Don't quote me on that. Not from here.
It's my first time to see this.
No, I'm not afraid. Those are his
Church po yan. Tapos nasunog, pinit 3 beses. Yun yan.
Tapos siya lang yun yung ano.
Opo.
Then we...
Same
Like,
reason,
mom, the whole
nasunog.
church has
Dun,
burned down.
kasi may
but this
kitchen
thing-
po dyan. Doon sila lagi nagkakaroon.
Oh. So meaning, dapat what we should know about is ano yung materials niyan. Diba?
But no need. I think we're traveling.
A few moments later.
Okay, so that was it. We've seen the ruins. Yeah, so we're now on our way back and going back to Hong Kong. So, yes, it's been a nice staycation. Thank you again to my eldest daughter and to my son-in-law, Christina and Joao. Salamat mga anak. God bless you for doing that for us. Heading back home. So many people here. Ay, ito yung sinasabi ni Christina na namimigay sila ng free foods. Well, no. Sabi ni Christina, wag din. For hygiene purposes, it's best not to have some tastes.
The ice cream?
Oh. Yeah. Is this the ice cream with the trick? Anak, is this the ice cream with the trick? I want to try it. Can somebody take me a video?
Akisha, can you take video from mom?
Be, I want to try that ice cream. It's just the trick.
Mom, just try.
Which one do you want, mix? Sunday
I see this. Oh! This is challenge. Challenge taken. Thank you. Can you change this one to I just want to have for the video. colorful. Buildings are so colorful. For one, it's really, now I understand why the kids were, were left at home, because it's so hard having to do this, and then with kids, they really will go tantrums. So yeah, and because we're going back, so next time we'll do this again next time, but as much as possible with backpacks and really lesser things to bring. And so now we're heading back to take the bus, going back to go to the port and go back to Hong Kong. There you go, my beautiful butterflies. Thank you so much for watching this vlog 28, and watch out of course for the 29th, and don't forget to like and as well comment and share, and of course don't forget to subscribe. And by the way, I'm also inviting you to our other YouTube channel together with Geraldine DJ Sacy, and it is called PS TV Show Online. It is an online variety music talk show here in Hong Kong. And we are live over Facebook and YouTube every Sunday afternoon. Once again, that's PS TV Show Online. And as performing artists, please do also support us as Vocal Point International Power Duo over Facebook, and we also have our YouTube channel and our Instagram. And for your online shopping needs that supports cruelty-free and vegan products, please go to Impulse at impulse.onlineshop on Facebook and Instagram. And WSOS, or Worldwide Shipping Online Store, for all your shopping needs. We source what you need. And here's a beautiful Bible share from Ecclesiastes chapter 12, verses 13 to 14.